SmartTrip card is a rechargeable card used to pay for the DC Metro Rail and local bus system fares. The DC Metro no longer uses paper fare cards. A SmartTrip card is required for each rider age 5 and older. Up to 2 children under age 5 may travel free with each fare-paying adult. You may order a card online or purchase one at a Metro station. SmartTrip cards are $10 each and come preloaded with $8 of credit. There are a few options for adding funds to your card. You'll want to keep in mind if you'll be riding during peak hours, which are weekdays from opening through 9 a.m. and between 3 and 7 p.m. The Metro is the best option for travelers riding into town from outside of the city during rush hour. Also, if you're taking a tour with us, we've conveniently located our start and stop points nearby Metro stations. One way to travel is by paying as you go. If you need to add money to your card, you will need to use one of the SmartTrip vending machines, which accept both cash and debit card. There is no set fare for trips. Fares between stations depend on both distance and the time of day. If you choose this option, you'll want to consider if you'll be traveling during peak or off-peak hours. For trips within the urban core, that ends up being a maximum of $6 a trip during peak rush and about $3.85 a trip during off-peak hours for a full fare trip. You can purchase a one-day pass for $14.75 as of August 2017. There are no travel restrictions, which means you could use this pass anytime and without any additional charges. For most people, this pass really makes sense if you plan on making more than 2 round trips and/or you are traveling with children under 5. There are 2 types of 7-day passes. As of August 2017, the Fast Trip Pass is $60 and has no time restrictions, and the Short Trip Pass is $38.50 and includes unlimited rides. If purchasing the Short Trip Pass and your ride during rush hour is more than $3.85, then the additional charge will be deducted from the SmartTrip card's stored value. The Short Trip Pass is popular if you are planning on spending at least 3 days in a city using the Metro Rail or bus. For answers to frequently asked questions about the DC Metro and other options for getting around DC, such as one of our Pay What You Like tours, read through our blog post and start planning your trip today at DC by Foot.